3, 2, 1, start. The admitted position is that the assignments of work under the roster prepared under the directions of Honorable the Chief Justice changed after the summer recess of 2013. However, the same learned single judge who had heard the matter on 9 May 2013 and 20 May 2013 heard the proceedings on 10 July 2013. For the first time, notice was issued on that date when the Learned Standing Council representing respondents 1 to 7 and the council representing respondents 11 and 12 accepted notice. The appellant being an officer of the education department, the Learned Standing Council was directed to take notice on his behalf. A further direction for listening the matter on 25 July 2013 was issued. Thereafter, the learned single judge heard the petition on diverse dates between 25 July 2013 and 10 October 2013. Eventually, on 25 November 2013, an order was passed by the learned single judge observing that the court was satisfied that there had been an attempt on the part of the then regional joint director of education to overreach the directions issued by this court in a judgment dated 22 October 1997 and to bring disrepute to the final judgment. Consequently, the then Regional Joint Director of Education was prima facie held liable for the contempt, and his presence has been directed to be secured before the court on 18 December 2013 for framing of charges. Two submissions have been urged in support of the appeal. First, it has been submitted that under the directions of Honorable the then Chief Justice, the hearing of the petition was directed to be laid listed before the appropriate bench. Accordingly, the petition came up before the learned single judge on 9 May and 20 May 2013. This was before the issuance of notice. Once the roster changed after the reassembling of the court at the end of summer recess in July 2013. It has been urged that the learned single judge had no jurisdiction to further proceed with the hearing of the petition, and hence the assumption of jurisdiction was improper, and the order which has been passed on 25 November 2013 is a nullity. Second, it has been urged that even if the assumption of jurisdiction was correct and proper, the learned single judge had no jurisdiction to hold the regional joint director of education prima facie liable for contempt and to require his presence for framing of charges since the learned judge was not assigned contempt matters. On the other hand, it has been urged on behalf of the respondents that the learned single judge had heard the matter in part on 9 May 2013 and consequently was acting within jurisdiction in continuing to retain control over the matter despite the change in the roster. Once the petition was heard in part, the learned single judge was justified in entertaining the petition. Under Section 15 of the Contempt of Courts Act 1971, the court has jurisdiction to take cognizance on its own motion of a case of criminal contempt. Stop.